Welcome to Curiosity Life Online Web. Turkish actor Murat Yildirim married to his Istom co-star Burçin Tezoğlu in 2008. 5 years later, they were divorced in 2014. When they got married in 2008, Murat Yildirim was 26 years old and Burçin Tezoğlu was 25 years old. Murat Yildirim is 10 months 26 days older than Burçin Tezoğlu. Murat Yildirim is a Turkish actor who was born on 13 April 1979 in Konya, Turkey. His father is of Kurdish origin and was a teacher of literature. Yildirim's father speaks Turkish and Kurdish. His mother is of Arabic descent and speaks Arabic as well, but Murat Yildirim is neither fluently in Kurdish nor Arabic. Due to his father's job, Yildirim grew up between Konya and Adana. She has two sisters, named Sevdanu Yildirim and Dilara Yildirim. He graduated in mechanical engineering from the Yildiz Technical University in Istanbul, Turkey, and he has keen interest in mathematics. His interest in music and theatre started early on in his life as well. As a student, Murat Yildirim played drums in a band. During his studying period, he also started performing with his university theatrical team and attending acting lessons. Burçin Tezoğlu is a Turkish actress who was born on March 9, 1980 in Istanbul, Turkey. She was the first wife of Turkish famous actor Murat Yildirim. She was married to Murat Yildirim in 2008 and was divorced in 2014. Burçin Tezoğlu was a child actress. She started her acting career at the age of 5 and appearing in 16 television series and 45 films until the age of 10. The famous actress later started acting at the Musdat Kazan Arts Center. After graduating, Burçin Tezoğlu began acting as a leading role actress. Tezoğlu won numerous awards including Golden Butterfly Best Actress Award for Poyraz Karayel. Click the description link to know update and details. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.